Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? In last week, we learned the basic concepts of 3D shapes. We learned 8 different figures of 3D shapes. Today, we are going to learn about page number 26. The topic name is Exploring 3D Shapes. We have to draw and name the 3D shape. Draw and name the 3D shape. Look at the number A. I have 6 faces and 8 vertices. So look at here, this is 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. I have 6 faces and 8 vertices. I have 12 edges. 12 edges. My faces are all the same shape. So this is, if you look at this one, all are same shape. Okay, if I make it into cube, this is what? So the answer is cube. So my faces all are same. There are 6 faces and 12 edges and 8 vertices. Okay, 8 vertices. So what is the name of the figure? It is a cube. So I already draw this is cube. Look at here, all the faces. If you look at here, all the faces are, here is the 4 and 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 edges. This is 9, 10, 11 and 12 edges. So this is the first answer is Q. Now coming to the next one. I have 6 faces. I have 6 faces and 8 vertices. And I have 12 edges. So cube and cuboid both are, the properties are same. So in the cube also there are 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Similarly cuboid also there are 6 faces, 8 vertices and 12 edges. But in the question is given 4 of my faces are rectangle. So look at here, this is number 1. So this is the rectangle from here to here, and 2, 3, 4. 4 of the faces are rectangle and 2 are squares. So this is a square and it is total how many faces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 faces, but 4 of the faces are rectangle and 2 of the faces are square. So what is the name of the figure? That is a cuboid. That is cuboid. So the name of the figure is cuboid and I draw the picture cuboid. Okay. Now coming to the next one. I have 3 faces. I have 3 faces and 0 vertices. That means there are no vertices. I have 2 edges. I have 2 edges. 2 of my faces are the same. One is curved. 2 of my faces are the same and one is curved. What am I? What am I? So look at here. This is the name of the figure is a cylinder. Why? Because there are 3 faces. This is the one face and this is the second face and here is the one more. So there are 3 faces. So 2 of my faces are same. So this one and the down one, these both are same and one face is curved, that is cylinder. That's why in a cylinder there are no vertices. Where is the corner? There is no corner. So the name of the figure is cylinder. Okay, next one. I have 5 faces and 6 vertices. I have 5 faces and 6 vertices. Okay, I have 9 edges. If you cut me into half, my end face will remain same. 2 of my faces are triangle, 2 of my faces are triangle and 3 are rectangle. So look at here, total there are 5 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So out of 5, 3 of the faces are rectangle and 2 of the faces are triangle. So the name of the figure is triangular prism. So this is the figure triangular prism. Okay. So question number E and F is your homework. So this is the table. If you learn last week, whatever you learned the basic concept of the 3D figures, if you learn perfectly, this is the easiest one. So cube, number of straight edges, how much? 12. Number of curved edges, there is no curved edge, So that is 0. Number of corners, 8 corners. Does it roll? Is it possible to roll cube? Is it possible to roll? If I roll it only one time maybe, not roll up to so on, right or no? It's not going to too far. Only 1 or 2 rounds, then stop. So it is not roll. What that is stack? What is the meaning of stack? Suppose this one, I think that example, this is a cuboid. Okay, I want to keep it something up, that is called stack. So is it possible to stand or not? Yes it is. So that is called stack. Again I want to keep it this one, so it is possible. It is name is stack. That means 1 upon 1. Okay, that is called stack. So that is stack. Yes it is. Yes. Now similarly next one is cuboid. The cuboid is 12 edges, 0 curved edges, 8 vertices. That is rolled. No. That is stack. Yes. Stack means, look at here. Suppose this is the keyboard thing, that this is the keyboard, and I keep it here, the eraser on the book. So it's possible. Okay, that is called stack. If I want this one again, I want to keep it something here, it's possible. So that is called stack. So sphere, there is no edges, no curved edges, no corners. Does it roll? Yes. The sphere, like football, it's roll. Does it stack? No. Cylinder, zero edges, two curved edges in a cylinder, two curved edges, number of corners zero. Does it roll? Yes. That is stack. Yes, it's possible to stack also. Okay, it is possible to stack also. If you want to keep it something here upon this one, it's possible. Okay, that is stack. Yes. Triangular pyramid. So there are six straight edges, number of curves zeros, number of corners are 4. Does it roll? No. Does it stack? No. Stack also not possible. Why? Because this sit like this way. You can keep it anything upon this one? No. So it's not possible. So you have to practice properly all these things, and your homework is question number E and F from page number 27. I hope you understand today's classwork. If you have any more questions, you can ask in the next class. Thank you.